Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling Always On Display on your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the bottom of the watch screen to open the Apps menu. In the Apps menu, tap on the Settings cog. Scroll down and tap Display. Scroll down the display settings and to the right of Always On Display, tap the toggle to switch it on. When on, the toggle will be blue, and when switched off, it will be black. You can also enable and disable Always On Display for your watch from your phone. To do this, open up the Galaxy Wearable app. Tap Watch Settings and then tap Display. Tap the toggle to the right of Always On Display to enable and disable it. When Always On Display is enabled, the toggle will be blue, and when it is off, it will be white. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.